In this lesson, we will learn about third conditional, also known as conditional type 3. So, the conditional sentence starts with the subordinate conjunction if and then a clause. That's why we call this an if clause. The verb in this if clause is in the past perfect tense. And the past perfect tense means that the verb starts with the helping verb or the auxiliary had followed by the past participle of the verb. In the main clause, we use would have followed by the past participle of the verb. So, in this example, we have would have followed by found. If there had been life on Mars, we would have found it. In this sentence, we used if, and then the verb was in the past perfect tense, and in the main clause, we used would have followed by the past participle. Here is another example. If we had known you were sick, we would have gone to visit you in the hospital. I would have come if I had known that you needed help. We said that in a conditional sentence, there are two parts, the if clause and the main clause. In this sentence, notice that the if clause is second. It starts with the subordinate conjunction if, and then we have the clause, which is called an if clause, and the verb is in the past perfect tense. In the main clause, the verb is would have come. So, if, past perfect, and then would have, followed by the past participle of the verb. Here is an example. We wouldn't have driven all this way if we had known the museum was closed. We use the third conditional to talk about imagined past situations. If I had seen you, I would have talked to you. This means that I didn't talk to you because I didn't see you. It's theoretical. I wouldn't have found you if I hadn't wanted to ask you a question. Also, the third conditional is used to express regret about something you did or you didn't do in the past. If I had driven carefully, I wouldn't have made an accident. Or, if I had studied hard, I would have passed all my exams. Here are some more examples. If I had had enough money, I would have bought that amazing watch. Many students think that had in this sentence is just a mistake or a repetition, but it is not. Because in this sentence, the verb is have, and because this is third conditional, then we use the auxiliary had followed by the past participle of the verb have, in this case had. Okay? So had is the past perfect of the verb have. If I had had enough money, I would have bought that amazing watch. Our lesson today was about third conditional.